Hi, I'm Alex here from PCCom Softwash, and today I want to answer questions on how to clean outside fascia and gutters. Well, to understand what chemicals, if any, are needed to clean exterior fascia of your gutter, is best to understand what type of staining is currently on the gutters. There are some organic stains caused from algae and other organisms which can be simply cleaned with pressure washer. However, cleaning of exterior gutter and fascia with pressure washer can be difficult due to height and accessibility. Plus, water alone may remove bulk of the stain, but oftentimes spores and microorganisms may still be left over and can regrow back very quickly. Now, there is also non-organic stains like black stripes that you see if it has caused from oxidation of runoff from asphalt roofing material, and this cannot be removed by water alone. In fact, to clean most organic stain, most professionals use very mild bleach solution along with a soap called GREENWASH, which sanitize the gutter and fascia and kills microorganism which grows on the surface, making it clean and last longer. Now, be careful how you apply this solution because bleach can stain your clothes, and usually this method requires two people working together. One apply the solution and the other protect the plants and surrounding properties. There are also other products like OxyWash which address the oxidation stain that can occur on those gutter fascias. And these chemicals also need good scrubbing and brushing as well to fully remove stains and to get those gutters and fascia looking like brand new again. One main thing to look for is a company who uses biodegradable and eco-friendly product. So make sure you look for that. If you have any additional question and like a free on-site estimate to get your gutter and fascia cleaned, please feel free to contact us on info@pccom.co.uk and we will get back to you within 24 hours. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you.